Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how you all doing today? I believe you are doing perfectly fine. As for me, I thank God so much. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so in this channel I talk about spiritual tips a lot. Spiritual ways you can cleanse yourself, you can liberate yourself, you can get what you want. Spiritual ways you can do it yourself. Okay, if you love any of that, if it sounds good, consider subscribing, hit the red subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this and many more. Because in this channel I also talk about natural remedies, okay, and natural ways you can help yourself as a lady, as a man, to take care of for infection, for conceiving and all that. So but today's video we're going to be talking about the spiritual benefits of candle, the benefits of burning candle, and also different types of candle and different colors of candles. So you just have to continue watching because I know you will surely gain a lot from today's video. The powers of lighting candles. So in case you don't know this, candles, burning candles can remove darkness around you. It helps to remove darkness, bad energies, whatever colors you are using. The general benefits of all different colors of candles are the powers to remove bad energies. They all remove darkness, whatever thing you use them for. They all have extraordinary powers and energy attached to them. Powers, depending on what you want to use it for. Also, if you want to use it to perform good work, to attract good spirits, to attract angels, good energies around you, you can use it and it will come to pass. So it possesses extraordinary powers that you may not be aware of. So that is why you see most people, they use candles to pray. The ones I normally see and the ones I use are white candles. I use them a lot. Not every day though, but I love using candles like white candles. I love burning candles. And it has been helping. Whenever I burn candles like this, when I'm praying, I notice, lightness. I feel so relieved. I feel so like as if good energies are surrounding me. Candles can bring focus. They can bring comfort. They can comfort you. Many people, they burn candles for different missions. They burn candles for protection, for healing, for promotion, whatever thing they need it for. Some just decide to burn candle to plead for mercy. Maybe they have wronged God in one way or the other. They just want to plead for mercy. And that, you should always back it up with some verses. I always say, if you are seeking for mercy from God, always make use of this Psalm 51 a lot. Pray with it and burn it, and also use Psalm 51. If you are using it for protection, you just have to check around. There are many verses that you can use, that you can attach with it. During prayers as well, you can burn candles, like you can use it to remove bad energies around you, around your house, around your loved ones. If you have been feeling something like as if maybe someone visited and maybe that person is into one or two bad things or the other and visited your home and you are not comfortable, you are feeling somehow scared, when that person goes, you can decide to burn candle, light candle and pray to cleanse all bad energy in that home that may bring bad luck, that may bring sickness, that may bring death, to just remove it. You can also burn candles during prayers to boost your prayers, okay? Candles has so many spiritual benefits attached to it. So candles comes in different shapes and sizes. You can find them, tiny and long. I should get one for you to see. So look at them. So this is the one I have at home. Okay, this is the type I have. This is the size and shape. They come in different shapes, they come in different sizes depending on how it's molded. Okay, this is molded like this. So if you see different shapes that is not like this, you don't need to be afraid. You know, many people, they will just see some molded in different ways, they will be very, very afraid. Okay. So, and they also comes in different colors. Here is a white color type. This is white, and they all have different meanings. Generally, they helps to drive away bad energies, to remove darkness, be it red one, white one, even the black, depending on your mission for using that candle. Depending on your mission. Okay, so this is one I have. In fact, I don't joke with candles. I love candles a lot, but the ones I normally use are the white type. So you can use different colors. If you see so many colors of candle, you don't have to be afraid or saying this person is demonic, this person is bad, this person is satanic. You may not know the intention of the person. Like the red one, it attracts love. Red color candle attracts love. God is love. If you light it, it will attract the angels of love around that thing. It's just like, you know, this white one. This white has so many meanings. It brings peace. It brings so many things. It cleanses. So the first thing it does, any candle at all, when you light it, it will just remove bad energies around the house. It will just flush out, like getting rid of filthiness. So as you are burning it and saying your intention, you will not be welcoming that thing you want. You can use it to welcome peace, healing, breakthrough. I love this white one so much, and that does not mean that I may not use red, or, you know, there are different colors of candles. They have red, green, blue, gray. They have a black, and this is a white type. They have so many colors of candles. This is what I mostly use, and this is the type, the color that you can see almost around and in some churches. So they all have energies attached to them. When someone puts on a black top, when you put on a black top, does not mean that they are going to attract bad powers around you. Black is also very good. It attracts good things to you. Different colors of wears, what you put on. Some people put on white, you know, look at what I'm putting on. And so is candle. But it has general spiritual benefits, which they attract and which they remove. They remove bad energies, all the candles. And they attract whatever thing they symbolizes. So it can bring growth, it can bring protection, it can bring healing, it can bring cleansing, it can cleanse, it can purify, it can bring prosperity. Can bring power. It can also bring commanding power. Like some people, they use candles, some different colors of candle and some shapes to command some things to happen. But I don't do that, okay? I don't do that. I always use it to pray for my own benefits. And I don't use it to work for people. I don't do spiritual work for people. I always do spiritual works that favors me and my family. And so I'm trying to teach everyone, like, you know, trying to tell people how to do it themselves. Okay, so I don't do for people. Just like black candles, many believe that, you know, black candles symbolizes black powers, spells, and many others. No, you know, there are many things you don't know about that color. So as I said earlier, you can use it depending on what your intention is. Anything can be used for positive or negative results. Aside candle, you can use anything, positive or negative results. So many people light different colors of candles in their homes. They will just get all the colors of candles. They will just light it. And, you know, they just love the decoration. Some use it to decorate the home. Some just like the way the lights, the combination of the lights, they may not know what the spiritual benefits is bringing to them. They just do it for beauty, but they will just end up bringing different good energies into that home without knowing. I believe by now you must have known or learned spiritual benefits of candle. Why people burn candles? Not because they are evil. Okay, not everyone that burns candle are burning it for evil. You can use it for your own benefits and to help yourself spiritually, to bring peace, for mercy, to draw closer to God. Even when you light that candle, you will notice, if you are that type that is always in spirit whenever you are praying, you'll be feeling it, you'll be feeling good energies around you. It's a very powerful weapon that will make God to answer your prayers fast. I believe this video is helpful. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in case you have not done so, okay? Remain blessed and always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.